So you got your manufactured sponge end here. Let's go ahead and clean up any fingerprints or little blemishes that may have happened while you're handling this. It's looking good there. I think these things always kind of look like snakes to me. Might as well go with that. Put a little forked tongue coming out of this snake eye. I like that. Lid's finished. Now this guy's got a bunch of fingerprints on him. So just go and carefully get it up in your hand and just clean up. It's these little details that mean the world. So all these little details add up. And if you just get rid of these blemishes and score marks, fingerprints, the pot's going to look really nice. And if the pot looks nice before it's all glazed up and before it's gone into any firing, you know it's going to look nice once you get that glaze on there. Alright? The pot's nice and clean. Let's put our lid on there. Okay, now you can see, you have a little stash jar from outer space.